Oh.
No.
All the way down, all the way down. Oh, up, up. There you go.
Man. Scary. That's pretty.
That is pretty.
That is pretty.
That one kind of messed up.
Do you want me to dip it again?
Yeah, you can.
You gotta dip it in the area with that.
Well, like it doesn't have much at the top, you know. Oh.
Oh, it's double layered.
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Can I do another?
Okay. And crack it in half. Push it in and crack it in half. Push it in. Push hard, hard, hard. There you go. There you go. Woo. All right. So see, like this little piece is meat. Good. Take that out. Well, so what I do? Okay. So yeah. Next thing, look, do this. So sometimes I grab here and I pull, and I didn't get any meat, but sometimes I do. So I pull all the legs off. Sometimes they come out, sometimes they don't.
Mine didn't come out.
Yeah, look, get a little bit, not a lot though. Okay, try that. One. Oh, there you go. So dip that and eat it. Yeah. That. There you go.